Hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna explain you how to avoid someone adding you on groups in Telegram. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open your Telegram app and just click on these three lines and go to settings. Here you can see privacy and security. Just tap on it and then the privacy and security features will be appear here. Here you can see groups, right? Click on there and here you can see everybody and my contacts. If you select my contacts, then the permission will be granted to your contacts. This is how you can avoid someone by adding you on groups. Thank you for watching.